doing? Hola chingada. What's wrong, Wade? That's a new driver?
He didn't let go of the transfer.
Oh, he ain't let it go? Hola chingada. La verga, gotta wait.
See you again,
What's
okay?
up already?
What
you up to, man?
Get that tussle right.
What I said? You finally done made it out here.
Yeah, man. So you doing your thing? Get your tacos?
Nah, they don't do the tacos out here. This is what I look at. What's up, Tyrone? Yeah, I'm them hot chocolate tonight, though. It's tasting good, too.
Yeah.
Oh, this Mustang here ain't cranking. You know it ain't the bomb tune. Come on, baby. Oh, that battery finna get low. I heard about to get it. Damn. Got a lot of cars back there. A lot of cars right here. Hey! He want me to come over here, y'all. What's up with it, man? Ah! We ready? He said we ready. We ready. It's getting ready already right now? He said, yeah, I'm already ready, y'all. What's up with it, man? Hi. What's up? It's ready? You want to race somebody? Man, ain't nobody want to race too fast. Everybody already know. Man, you already know everybody know, man. They don't want none, man. They don't want. I'ma look around though. Let me look around. Let me find somebody. Let me look around. Let me see what y'all doing, what class y'all in. I'm finna see what y'all doing. Scotty Scoach, appreciate the follow. I'm Swervo, look out. He yanking the wheels up.
Oh, good. Get raised on 180 straight cut.
Straight cut. It sure is quiet for 100 people to be in a room. I running though. I like the way it's running. I like the way it's running. Smell like oil, but I still like the way it's running though. Yeah, the Cowboys, they lost today. Any Cowboy fans in here? I know everybody in here ain't from Dallas. I got people. Who from out of town from in here, man? Shout out where y'all from, man.
Hey.
What's up? Oh, Chris. Oh, what's up, man? You here in the car?
Yeah, we're boarding the stage lanes.
Yeah, man. I got Pig, man. We need to whoop Pig.
Oh, is he here?
Yeah, he here. He in that new GT 500, like a 2019, 2020.
Okay.
He think he got something. He on street tires.
We might do something else.
Let me get. He said about $300. I told him started at $300.
That's fine.
Okay, bet. Hell yeah. Chris here too? Oh man, that's good. Okay, we got Michigan and Tyler, Texas in the building. Okay, we got Twisted Soul in here. What's up? I ain't know you was in here.